can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin Gala. Over the last 1 year, Gala has lost 55% of its value. Over the last 1 month, Gala has lost 27% of its value. And the last 1 week, Gala lost 6.9% of its value, with the market cap sitting at around $688 million. How high can Gala go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We're waiting for that epic alt season pump where we see all coins going parabolic. Where will Gala get rejected? How high can it possibly go? We'll look at Gala's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Look at Gala's performance against Bitcoin, Gala's performance against Ethereum, and finally look at Gala's market cap, which has fallen below the $1 billion level. Can we get to 2 billion, 3 billion? Maybe we get to new all-time highs. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with some key details about Gala. Currently, Gala has market cap of over $689 million. Unlocked market cap sits at $758 million. Gala has a total supply of 45.41 billion tokens, the maximum supply of 50 billion Gala tokens. The all-time high for Gala came in November of 2021. The metaverse craze then was mad. Gala got to as high as the $0.83 level. Right now is down 98% from the all-time highs. Why is Gala important in the cryptocurrency market? Gala is a Web3 ecosystem powered by Layer 1 blockchain, that's the Gala chain, built to power the Gala entertainment ecosystem that originally included Gala Games, Gala Music, and Gala Films. More recently, Gala chain has opened its doors to external developers and projects from many applicable industries, providing open source developer resources to simplify the process. If you look at Gala's US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, you can see that 2021 was a wonderful time to hold Gala. 2025 was a wonder to behold. From where Gala was trading in December of 2020, just $1,000 investment held for around 329 days, guys, would have returned more than a 5,000x return. Think about that. $1 million would have given you $5 million. That's how outrageous altcoins can pump when they're ready to pump. But every time you see this kind of huge pumps, always remember it follows by huge dump. And after Gala gave us that 5,000x return, what has happened since then? We've seen Gala dump to Goblin Town, losing 98% of its value. It took around 400 days to dump to Goblin Town and has started going sideways for over 2 years right now. We have been going through accumulation. You might say that, or might be going to distribution. You can also make that argument. But I believe we're getting ready for one big pump. Maybe not as big as 2021, but I believe Gala will soon break out of this 300% range where they have been stuck for over 900 days. Now, if Gala is going to break above that range, where are the key levels to watch out for? First, above the range will be one important level to watch out for. So Gala getting there in March of 2024. We couldn't rally above it, got rejected. We tried again in December of 2024, got rejected around that $0.066 region. I will not be shocked, guys, if that's the most important place to pass. And when we rally above that level, we might see Gala swiftly going to as high as the $0.25 region. Very possible. Can happen very quickly in the cryptocurrency market. From where we're currently trading, for us to get there, we have to see Gala rally up by more than 1,700%. I'll be showing you later in the video why I believe a 1,700% pump might not happen for Gala realistically. Even though on the price chart, we can see that for us to get to the previous all-time highs, we have to see Gala rally more than 107%. We have to see Gala even rally up like 5,000% for us to get to the previous all-time highs. But we might not get there anytime soon. If you look at Gala's performance against Bitcoin, Gala is down in Goblin Town against Bitcoin. That's what you expect to do of these altcoins when we get to the bear market, when the market gets very bearish. Even though they outperform Bitcoin when the market is bullish, they give back all those gains and more. If you held one Bitcoin in Gala in January of 2021, by the end of a bull market, guys, that one Bitcoin would have turned to around 1,000 Bitcoins. That's very crazy to think. That's very unimaginable to think. That's not even sustainable in the long term. And that's why when that rally is over, what happens eventually is that we start seeing big dumps to Goblin Town. And in the case of Gala's performance against Bitcoin, we're seeing it lose around 99% of its value. The all-time high, not anytime soon. all-time high is not what should be talked about for Gala's performance against Bitcoin. Most of these altcoins never set new all-time highs against Bitcoin again in their existence, because the altcoin market is very, very volatile. Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency market. But guys, the ending phase of the market cycle is when we see people flipping from Bitcoin into these riskier altcoins. They're trying to catch those upside gains. They're trying to get those multiples for Gala to rally back to the major resistance level where it got stuck in March of 2024. We need to see it outperform Bitcoin by over 800%. The market is going to end up with a bang. I've never seen where the market ended with market participants dumping and buying the dip. The market cycle always ends when market participants are all in, expecting higher prices, and we're seeing similar behaviors in Bitcoin and some other altcoins. I'm sure it will slowly creep into the altcoin market in the coming days and the coming weeks. Look at Gala's performance against Bitcoin. The first half of 2020, 2021, 2022, we saw Gala pumping aggressively against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, we saw it outperforming Ethereum till the cycle ended in November of 2021 by more than 33,000%. One Ethereum put in Gala would have returned more than 333 Ethereum. That's the power of altcoins. That's why you hear people talking about altcoin season, front, left, and center. You just need to catch one of these runners, and that's all. You're good to go. But if you buy the top in any of these runners, guys, you can get what Gala has done against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can easily lose 90 to 96% of your value. But if you're very smart, if you can time it well, if you can enter before we start alt season, before all market participants are hyping these altcoins again, if you're buying low, you're selling high, you're buying when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, you're selling when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you stand a very good chance of getting those big pumps that will see Gala outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum at the final stages of the market cycle. Now, if you look at Gala's market cap, that's what I said I'll show you guys. That's why I don't think Gala might be getting to new all-time highs on its US dollar price chart anytime soon. On its US dollar price chart, we need to see around a 5,000% pump for Gala to get back to new all-time highs. On the market cap chart, guys, we just need to see around a 700% pump. And you're wondering, why is that? It's because more tokens have come into circulation. Gala in 2021 had a lot of tokens that were not in circulation, but over the years, more tokens have come into circulation, and that's why you can see that Gala has a fully diluted market cap of $761 million, but the market cap right now sits at $691 million. So all the tokens are not yet in circulation. That's why you want to be careful with these altcoins. You want to just see them as for pure profit. You just want to buy low, sell high. You want to buy when there's fear and sell when there's greed. We might get rejected that $2.5 billion level. We've seen Gala get rejected there. If we don't get rejected there, guys, when we make an attempt for the all-time highs, we see Gala getting back to the $6 billion level, and that will see us rallying from where we're currently trading by around 800%, which is very, very possible, which can happen very, very quickly because market participants are feeling greedy. That's what the fear and greed index is telling us. Right now, there's a huge sum of greed. There's a huge level of greed in the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin trading above $105,000, with Ethereum having a nice time. We've seen the market go from extreme fear in the last 3 months. We're heading towards extreme greed, and the extreme greed is where market participants will get altcoin season pump, and that's where we'll sell for some sweet profit. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Gala right now? Do you believe in altcoin season? How high do you think Gala will go in the coming days and coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.